Me and Lisa actually going back to work today. And we are at our beloved Wawa. Practicing social distancing with these custom masks Lisa mentioned. So anyway, this is a little teeny little project. We're gonna go take down a couple cabinets out of the kitchen, and we're gonna break them apart and see if we can make one 18-inch wall cabinet so we can install a microwave vented over top of the cook stove. So there's nothing there now but a small cabinet and an exhaust vent. So when we get there, we'll show you a little picture of that, and then Lisa get the saws on, cut this cabinet all to pieces. She don't want to talk to y'all up.
Talking.
All right, we're going to drink our coffee and get going.
Stop.
All right, this is our cabinet. I'm gonna take these out and I'm gonna try to save this thing for Cheryl. She really wants it. Anyway, we're gonna take all these pieces out and we're gonna take it home to the shop and we're gonna make one cabinet so our microwave will fit here and not disturb that beautiful tile work. So I'll get Lisa to take this down while me and Cheryl drink wine.
Yeah. But I love having the ceiling fan in here because it flows the air because there isn't because the ceilings are low. I know.
So we got the cabinet broke down. That's the scrap. We're not gonna need that. It looks like I'll be able to save this one. So I'll put the doors back on that, patch that hole, and give that back to the homeowner, hang in his shed. We got a couple of pieces on the wall over there. But the main thing is the frame from the range hood. So it looks like all I need to do is clean this up. You see, it's a mess. Get the glue, the nails. Extend it by 5/8 of an inch. And I can use this piece of filler for that. Then build a cabinet box for it and attach the cabinet box to it. Put the cutouts for the exhaust vents, and we'd be in business. That will work. Piece is all cleaned up. Nails gone, ready to sanded and ready to glue new boxes. I'm gonna use this piece here for a piece of filler so we can extend this by about 5/8 of an inch. And the rest of it's just gonna be a regular cabinet build. All right, time to get started on our cabinet remake. Got everything set up, got the king on the stereo, and these are the pieces that I salvaged. This we're gonna make 18 5/8 total height. It's got a piece of this, looks like hickory to me. Add that to the bottom, get that extra 5/8 of an inch. Make a typical 12-inch deep cabinet. And then we're gonna prep it to hang a microwave under it. So when we go back to the job site, all we gotta do is hang the cabinet and install the microwave because all the work inside the cabinet will already be done. That is way too easy to use to not set it up. Even if I do got the place wide open there because it's so beautiful out. First thing we do to these sides is rabbet out the edge to fit in this dado. That fits in there nice. The next thing we'll do is we'll mark out where the bottom of the cabinet's going to be. This is an excellent example of why we put this overhang on this table when we built it. Awesome clamping spot. We took that piece of scrap filler, ripped us a piece of 5/8 to go here, which bring this cabinet down to the height that we're looking for. We got a tile line across the top of the stove, and we want this microwave to sit about 1/8 of an inch above that tile line, so we don't have to disturb it. So glued, tacked in place with some 1-inch brads. Now we'll fashion some nailers, and we'll finish the inside of the cabinet. And then we'll be about ready to put it in. Okay, so we got the dimensions for this exhaust vent off the other cabinet, which is right here. So we're going to go ahead and cut that out now. It's going to be easier in the shop than it is on site. And then we're going to lay out and cut the square hole for the exhaust vent from the microwave unit on the bottom shelf. All right, this cabinet is done. I got the hole in the top for the existing vent. You got a brace across the back of it that we can screw it to the wall. Holes for the microwave and the microwave vent. So I'm going to take this outside. I'm going to sand it and put a co-urethane on. All right, folks. This cabinet is ready to go back home and hold up a microwave. Fortunately, the doors worked out. We got the bottom of the cabinet cut out and drilled as per the instructions that came with the microwave, and a hole in the top for the existing exhaust duct that goes out to the through the attic to the roof vent. So that's ready to take back home and put back in its place. I smell tangerine. Beautiful. We'll do the same thing at the top, and then we'll be ready to start setting the microwave up. Oh, after we move the outlet. All right, next we gotta move this thing from here to here. We're gonna use the old workbox. So I'm gonna cut that out and I'll show you.
My stepmom was just like, I can't.
And we got 2 lights, that means it's good.
I was awful. She goes, I just have to stay upstairs and not think about it.
So next, we'll unpack the microwave and start installing that. Directions require we put some blocking between the recess of this cabinet and the top of this microwave. So that's what we're doing. Now here's our microwave wall bracket. We've got a screw into the stud here and one here. So now we're going to attempt to tip this up into place. Right? Yes. At least he's gonna do it, I'm gonna watch. That's where you wanted it underneath?
I think so. I hope so.
That's pretty good.
Wow, that's a lot of clearance too.
It's kind of high,
I don't think so at all.
but like you say, that clearance underneath
Yeah,
is valuable.
right.
But there you go. That does look nice. Yes, it does. Scott and Cheryl, y'all happy?
Yeah.
Happy. happy. All right, we'll be back tomorrow to hook the fan up. And this little project will be a wrap. Okay, we're out here this morning working on this piece of ductwork to vent this new microwave into the existing duct on the cabinet. So essentially all we have done, picked up some 3 1/4 by 10 stock, made a boot for the bottom of this. So that'll sit on top of the microwave, put a couple sheet metal screws in through the case of the microwave to hold it in place. A little duct tape, and then we'll cut this intermediate pipe. Now I'll carry that in there and see how long a pipe we need for that. We should be close to finishing this. Okay, that about wraps this one up. If you followed us all the way through with this, we sure do appreciate it. And if you have subscribed, we sure thank you for that. That's nice. And if you haven't, we hope you might consider. Anyway, I gotta clean these tools up, hence the mess. And then we'll go inside, we'll take one last look at the new cabinet and the ductwork, and we've got very happy customers, and that's always a wonderful thing. So, thanks for watching, and let me get you a picture of the inside real quick. All right, let me get another picture of this microwave cabinet finished, since I deleted the last one. All right, here we go. Like nothing ever happened. You can see the vent hooked up. show, you looked at me like, what are you doing with that thing? Get out of here with that thing. That looks nice stuff. Here we go with another mess. Shazam! That's what happens when you tear out a laundry in a closet room.